The 12 best foods for healthy skin. For good health, nutrition is crucial. A poor diet can harm your metabolism, make you gain weight, and even harm vital organs like the heart and liver. However, your skin is another organ that is impacted by what you eat. It is becoming more and more obvious that what you eat has a substantial impact on the health and aging of your skin as scientists understand more about diet and the body. The 12 recommended meals for maintaining healthy skin are examined in this video. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and herring are all good sources of fat for maintaining healthy skin. They are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for preserving the health of the skin. The maintenance of thick, supple, and moisturized skin requires omega-3 fatty acids. In actuality, a lack of omega-3 fatty acids can lead to dry skin. Inflammation, which can result in redness and acne, is lessened by omega-3 fats found in fish. They may even lessen your skin's sensitivity to ultraviolet rays from the sun. 2. Avocados. Healthy fats are abundant in avocados. The health of your skin is one of the many bodily processes that these lipids support. To maintain skin supple and moisturized, one must consume enough of these fats. Vitamin E, a vital antioxidant that helps shield your skin from oxidative damage, is another crucial nutrient found in avocados. The majority of Americans don't consume enough vitamin E in their diets. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great meal for good skin because they have several qualities that contribute to this. They are a good source of vital fatty acids, which your body needs but cannot produce on its own. In fact, they contain more omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids than the majority of other nuts. An excessive intake of omega-6 fatty acids may encourage inflammation, including skin diseases like psoriasis. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, reduce inflammation throughout your body, especially in your skin. Omega-3 fatty acid sources are few compared to omega-6 fatty acid sources in the Western diet. 4. Sunflower seeds. Nutrients that are excellent for the skin can be found in abundance in nuts and seeds. An excellent illustration are sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds include 5.5 grams of protein, 49% of the daily value for vitamin E, 41% of the daily value for selenium, and 14% of the daily value for zinc in 1 ounce, 28 grams. 5. Sweet potatoes. A nutrient called beta-carotene is present in plants. It performs as a provitamin A, which means your body can change it into vitamin A. Oranges and vegetables including spinach, carrots, and sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene. A great source of fiber is sweet potatoes. A serving size of 100 grams, or half a cup, of roasted sweet potatoes has more than 6 times the daily recommended amount of vitamin A in beta-carotene. By serving as a natural sunblock, carotenoids like beta-carotene aid in maintaining the health of your skin. This antioxidant is absorbed into your skin after consumption and aids in shielding your skin cells from ultraviolet radiation. This may lessen the risk of skin cancer, cell death, and wrinkled, dry skin. Interestingly, high levels of beta-carotene may also give your skin a warm, orange hue, giving you a generally healthier appearance. 6. Red or yellow bell peppers. Bell peppers are a great source of beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, just like sweet potatoes are. The equivalent of 156% of the daily value for vitamin A is present in 1 cup, 149 grams, of finely chopped red bell pepper. Additionally, they are among the greatest sources of vitamin C. Collagen, a protein that maintains skin strong and firm, is made possible by this vitamin. 7. Broccoli. Zinc, vitamin A, and vitamin C are just a few of the vitamins and minerals abundant in broccoli that are crucial for healthy skin. Additionally, it has lutein, a pigment that functions similarly to beta-carotene. Lutein aids in preventing oxidative skin damage, which can lead to dryness and wrinkles in the skin. But sulforaphane, a unique substance found in broccoli florets, also packs a powerful potential punch. Even some forms of skin cancer may be resistant to its effects. 8. Tomatoes. All of the main carotenoids, including lycopene, are present in tomatoes, making them an excellent source of vitamin C. It has been demonstrated that beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene can shield your skin from ultraviolet damage. They might also aid in avoiding wrinkles. Tomatoes are a great food for preserving good skin because they're high in carotenoids. Think about combining foods like tomatoes that are high in carotenes with a source of fat, such as cheese or olive oil. Carotenoids are more readily absorbed when you are fat. 9. Soy. Isoflavones, a class of plant compounds found in soy, have the ability to either imitate or prevent the effects of estrogen in your body. Your skin, among other body organs, may benefit from isoflavones. Eating soy isoflavones daily for 8 to 12 weeks decreased fine wrinkles and increased skin suppleness, according to a small trial including middle-aged women. Soy may benefit postmenopausal women with skin dryness issues and may boost collagen production, which keeps skin strong and supple. 10. Dark chocolate. Here's one more justification. In case you needed it, your skin will benefit greatly from cocoa consumption. Participants in one study reported fuller, more moisturized skin after taking an antioxidant-rich cocoa powder daily for 6 to 12 weeks. Additionally, their skin had greater blood flow, which carries more nutrients to the skin, and was less scratchy and scaly, as well as less vulnerable to sunburn. 11. Green tea. Your skin may benefit from green tea's ability to prevent aging and damage. Catechins, potent substances included in green tea, have been shown to benefit skin health in a number of ways. Green tea can help shield your skin from sun damage, just like a number of other foods rich in antioxidants. Daily consumption of green tea was proven to lessen sunburn redness by up to 25% in a 12-week research involving 60 women. Their skin's suppleness, thickness, roughness, and wetness were all enhanced by green tea. 12. Red grapes. Resveratrol, a substance that is found in the skin of red grapes, is well known to be present in red grapes. Reducing the effects of aging is one of the health advantages attributed to resveratrol. According to research conducted in test tubes, it might also aid in reducing the amount of dangerous free radicals that destroy skin cells and hasten the aging process. Red wine also contains this beneficial substance. Unfortunately, there isn't much proof that a glass of red wine contains enough resveratrol to have an impact on your skin. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.